Hello. In this video, I am going to try out this waterless cleaner for washing your car without using any water other than what's in the spray. So this spray can clean the car 6 to 8 times. So it says on the bottle. I guess it's by this brand. I think that's the brand name. And there are some details here. Well, you can read more about it. I'll try to include a link. I just did a quick search, compared some brands, not by much. I didn't really compare it by much. I just saw that this one provided the most amount of spray for a good price. This one came out to be about $15 plus tax, and it provided the most liquid. So, and there were a lot more good reviews than bad reviews, but we'll see how it works. So gonna just turn the camera around here. Here's my car. It's pretty dirty right now. You can see how much dirt is on it. I'll just show a before, and then I'll maybe just do a spot, and then after I'll do the rest of the car without filming it. And then so the white part's hard to tell where that it's dirty, but there is some dirt there. I did the windows already. I cleaned the windows, but they are dirty again. So you can see there's some dirt. This part is glass as well. It's like the back of the car, but it's not painted, it's glass. So I'll probably use a window cleaner for that. It's only the painted surfaces that I'll clean using this spray. I was thinking of using the window cleaner to clean my car, but it says you should not do that because the window cleaner has chemicals in it that will remove paint over time, so you should definitely not do that. If you also had the thought of possibly using the window cleaner for cleaning your car, definitely not something you should do. So there we go. So you need 2 towels, one for wiping off the initial spray, and then another dry towel to sort of like buff it. So I have like 2 towels here. These are microfiber. Also bought at Canadian Tire. They're really good for cleaning glass. Anyway, gonna open this bottle here. Right now it's set to X, so just gonna spin it over. And so it says you shouldn't spray it on the car when it's hot. So right now the sun hasn't been out for a while. So I'm just gonna try it. I'm just trying to get ready to wipe since I'm holding the camera as well, or my phone camera. Okay, it's kind of windy too, so I'm hoping the spray doesn't get blown away. Okay. Oh, it came out a lot more sharp than expected. Okay, so there it is. Now I'm gonna wipe. There's a scent to it. I think it's lemony smell, like a lemony smell. Okay, so there's the spot I did. You can see on here it's a little dirty. And I'm going to take the other one and I'm just going to dry it off. It's supposed to have wax in it. Whoop. This bottle's falling over. Okay, so that's why you need the second cloth to sort of help buff it. So there we go. Wow, that actually looks really nice. You can see dirty, clean. So I'm gonna do the rest of the car and then I'll make another video to connect to this one and just show the before and after. I mean, I guess the after, since I just did a video of the before. Yeah, and I'll do the glass with a different cleaner. Yeah, I'll show the cleaner later. Okay. Alright, so I just want to make another quick video to connect. So I sprayed like three lines on this side, but because the cloth was wet, I ended up wiping the entire top surface of the hood, and then I went over it with the dryer cloth, and I think it came out really good. It looks clean and it's shiny. You can see my reflection there. So here's this part I didn't do yet. I guess the cloth did wipe a little bit there, but yeah, so far results are looking good. It looks like you don't have to use too much of the product as long as the cloth is wet and you're able to wipe other parts of the car while it's wet. Then you can just buff it off with your second cloth. So that could be a way of, you know, conserving the spray. Anyway, I'm gonna do the rest of the car now.